Hi guys, we're in my kitchen and we are going to be doing a taste testing video today. And this is what we're going to be taste testing. Ba-boom! It is called Fruity Cereal. It's called Confetti Glitter Fruity Cereal. It is flavored fruit spread with, I guess, fruity cereal in it. And this is what it looks like. I put it on Ritz crackers. Yum, yum, yum. And I'm going to taste test it on a Ritz cracker. Mmm. Very good. So if you're at Walmart, pick it up. Alright? Give it a try. It is so good. Alrighty guys. Thank you for watching, liking, following, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.